Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the session today, June the 16th, that we're going to work today with this. I need that you open your student book in the page 106, please. Page 106, unit number 3. Unit number 3, okay? Unit number 3. Remember that we are going to work into the activities that we have been working on class. We have the first one, okay? Andres, vemos, start reading, please.
Put the times in the correct order.
Okay, give me the answers, please. What is the number one? Vemos.
Is
You have in your book. Look in your book. You have the material. Juan Rugel, give me the answers.
Yeah. Put the times in the correct order.
Okay.
Number 1, 10 past 2.
Okay, continue.
Number 2, 25 past 2.
Excellent. Continue.
20 to 3.
Okay, continue.
A quarter to 3.
Okay, continue.
4 o'clock.
And 4 o'clock. Remember, excellent. Now remember that here we say past. We are going to use past with the information that we go after the corresponding time. We're specifically talking about the minutes in this case. Remember that a quarter to indicates that is missing 15 minutes for the next hour, okay? That is the difference that we have, and you learned that the last cycle on this, okay? So we continue with the next activity. Gabriel Escobar, okay? Gabriel Escobar. Gabriel.
Yeah, miss, perdón. Look at the times, then write them in full.
Okay, what is the number one?
20 past 10.
Perfect. 20,
Number
remember, 20 minutes after
10.
10. 20 minutes after 10. We don't say after, we say past. Okay, continue, next one.
5 past 8.
Remember, 5 minutes after the 8. We don't use after, we say past. Continue, number 3.
Quarter to 7.
A quarter to 7, 15 minutes before the next hour 7. We don't say it before, we say 15 minutes to the next hour in this case, right? Continue. Continue. 8.
Quarter past 11.
Quarter past 11. Very good. Remember, 15 minutes, or in this case, pay attention to this, 45 or 15, we said a quarter. What is the difference? A quarter to for the next hour, quarter to 15 minutes to the next hour, or quarter past when it's passing the minutes before that, okay? Be careful with that expression. Number 5.
4 o'clock.
Continue, number 6.
25 to 3.
25 to 3. When we have after the half, we only give the minutes next to the next hour. Okay, continue.
10 to 8.
10 to 8, 10 minutes for the next hour. Continue.
2 o'clock.
Continue.
5 to 9.
Very good. And then number 10.
10 past 3.
Very good. Correct the errors quickly. Take the other color of your pen and correct your errors quickly. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Correct the errors. Hurry up. Hurry up. Remember the procedure. Remember the different colors. Do not erase. Correct the errors so you know what you went wrong. Okay. Ready? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. After checking that, now we continue with the next activity. Now we continue with the vocabulary, and we're going to revise the months of this. Do you know, because in class we practice this information, and also we said all of them, okay? And also we have all of them. Lady, read the months, please.
Unscribble the word for month.
Yeah.
Number 1, January. Number 2, February. Number 3, March. Number 4, April. Number
April.
5, May. Number 6, June. Number 7, July. Number 8, August. Number 9, September. Number 10, October. Number 11, November. And number 12, December.
Great. Okay. So those are the months. Remember, we were talking about the days, we're talking about the months, we were talking about the specific time, and now you got that correct. Correct the errors, please. Correct the errors in your books. So quickly, please. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. That was very easy. Now we go to the next part, and now we're going to verify some of the numbers according to this. Remember the pronunciation of put your tongue between the teeth. That is the pronunciation, okay? And obviously we're going to get the answers. Brittany Mosquera. Brittany.
Copy and complete the tablet with the full form and the text or in numbers.
Okay, remember, complete the table, and the full form of these ordinal numbers. Okay, Brittany, start the number 1.
First, second, 3, 4, 10, 18,
Very good.
20, 28,
Third,
30th, first,
31st,
40, 43rd,
43rd,
15th.
50th. Very good, Brittany. Remember, 18th, 23rd, 21st, 43rd, and 50th. Remember the pronunciation of the TH between push edge into your teeth. That is the pronunciation. Okay, that is the pronunciation that we got into the ordinal numbers. Very good. Correct the error. Thank you, Rick. Okay, continue. Correct the errors. Correct. Quickly, let's do it. Okay, right. So we have the next one. We finished about the vocabulary. Now we go to grammar. Alan, thank you very much. Alan.
Complete the present continuous sentences and question using the verbs in the book.
Okay, remember that we are going to use the present continuous. When we refer to the present continuous, remember, we are talking about the verb to be. Okay, we're talking about the verb to be. Is, are, am, and the verb with the ing form, plus the verb, oh my goodness, what is it? Oh my goodness, plus the verb with the ing form. Okay, that is the form that we're going to use for the continuous. There is not present continuous. There is not any present continuous if we don't add a verb to be. Is, are, am, with the verb with the ing form. Is working, are listening, am speaking. That is a form of the continuous. And remember that the continuous form is only a temporary situation. It's not permanent. It's only for the moment. So we're going to use this box of the words according to this. Mister, continue with the number 1.
1. Are people singing traditional songs?
Okay, remember. Remember, it's a question. You say it's a yes, no question. What is the verb to be that we're going to use? Are, because people is a plural noun. It's a plural noun. Are people singing? Continue the number 2, mister.
Selena and Lindsay are marking decoration for the party.
Are making. Very good. Continue, number 3.
We are watching the fireworks from our garden.
We are watching the fireworks. Very good. Continue, number 4.
It isn't snowing anymore.
It isn't snowing anymore. Number 5.
I am
Waiting.
waiting for the celebration at midnight.
I'm waiting for the celebration. Thank you very much, Alan. Okay, so here we got information to do this. Okay, correct errors, quickly. Let's do it. Let's do it. Correct your errors. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Ready? Let's do it. Let's do it quickly. Let's do it quickly. Correct your errors. Okay. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay. Well, now we continue with the next part of the activities and we continue with the next block. Now we got through the questions. Maria Oliveros, start. Maria, start. Maria.
Read the question using the word below.
Below. Remember, we're going to make questions with Maria, okay? Maria is going to read the information and also we are going to unscramble. Remember that Maria is going to make the question and between the questions, we are going to insert the corresponding verb to be and adapting the verb with the ing form, okay? Maria, are you ready? Right, okay. What is the number 1 for you, Maria?
What happened below London now?
Okay, that is the correct question, Maria.
I don't know.
Okay, so remember that we say, remember that now, attention to the following. Remember that now, very good, you got it? Okay, so you get now, remember that now is for the moment. And obviously for the moment, we're going to use the verb to be and the additional verb with the ing form. And this is a traditional question. What is happening now? Okay, continue, Maria. Number 2. What is the question number 2?
Your family are having a party at home?
Okay, in this case it's correct, exactly. You say do, yes, but remember, in this case we are going to use, remember are having is perfect. Okay, but in this case, because it's a yes, no question, we're going to say, are your family having a party at home? Very good. Okay. Continue, Maria. What about the number 3? Look at this now.
Yeah.
Countries, plural.
How many are countries celebrating New Year now?
Okay, it's there is only one thing that you have to switch to move. How many? Repeat.
Is.
How many?
No, are. How many are?
How many? How many?
Countries. Are. Celebrating New Year now.
Perfect. Okay, that is the form that we're going to use. Remember, you are using the verb to be, you are using the verb with the ing form, and now that refers to the not permanent situation that is only temporarily. Thank you, Maria. Continue with this one, Daniela Gomez. Continue. What about the number 4, Danny?
What your dad prepared in the kitchen?
Okay. What is, remember, that is correct, preparing, Daniela. In this case, we said is because you need to include the verb to be into the question. Remember the form, What is your dad preparing, okay, in the kitchen? Daniela, the number 5. It's a yes, no question. Are you
excited about the party?
Very good. Are you feeling excited about the party? Very good, Daniela. Okay. Correct the errors quickly. Let's do it. Correct your errors. Okay. Remember the procedures in class. Recuerde lo que hacemos en clase. No borre, corrija para que sepa en qué se equivocó. Use your colors pens for that, okay? Very good, excellent. So now we go to the next part. Now we go to the next part, okay? Attention, into the next part we have the activity number 7. And we're going to read the sentences to do that, okay? Sammy, start please, Sammy.
Read the sentences and choose the correct expression.
Okay,
Do
number
you,
1.
do you see your grandparents at the weekends? It's 6 p.m., so we are having our dinner. I am wearing my favorite clothes today because I'm going to a party. My sister doesn't usually put on so much makeup, and people are watching the fireworks at the moment.
Very good, okay? So those are, so we're going to check the information. Very good, okay? Thank you, Sammy. Those are the expressions. Remember, at the weekends is an expression proper for the present simple tense. At the weekends, now, or at the moment, now, or at the moment for the present continuous, okay? Correct the errors quickly, let's do it. Correct. Excellent. Okay. Correct the errors. Ya saben que les reviso el libro a la próxima clase y lo tengo que ver corregido. Ok. Así sea con los vistos o con las X. Let's do it. Y corregido. No es que solo visto y X y no está la corrección. Ok. Let's do it. I need the corrections. Very good. So here we go to the next part of this. Okay. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Okay, and now we go to the next part of this. Okay, we're going to make some corrections. Kevin Troncoso, start reading.
Correct the present continuous and present simple sentence.
Very good. So you have the two sentences. And obviously we are going to correct the sentence in this. For example, read the number 1, Kevin.
The band is playing fantastic music on Friday.
What is the correction?
The band plays fantastic music on Friday.
When you say on Fridays, on Saturdays, is about the present simple tense. Now we continue with the next. What is the correction in the number 2, Kevin?
We don't wear a uniform to school.
Perfect. We don't wear. It's impossible. Attention. It's impossible to use don't and ing form. Never we're going to use don't or doesn't with the verb with the ing form. What is correct to say this one? For example, don't wear. Okay, continue with the number 3. What is the correction, Kevin?
We don't usually dance in the street.
Okay. What is the correction? Repeat the correction.
We don't
Yeah.
usually dance in the street.
Very good. Remember, don't, present simple. Usually, frequency adverb for the present simple. Never with the ing form, never. What is the correct form to say? Don't, usually, don't, and usually for the present simple, and then into the infinitive form of the verb. Now we continue with the number 4. Thank you, Kevin. Juliana Peralta, continue, number 4.
She now come to the dancing lesson this evening.
Okay, what is the correction? What is the error in that sentence?
Lesson
Okay, what is the correction? She's not
coming.
coming. Aha, that is the correction. Remember to say she's not, and here says come. If you're using is not, isn't, the verb to be, the verb should include the ing form. She's not coming. Continue with the number 5, miss.
To dozens of people going to the fieldwork in London.
What is incorrect here? What is incomplete here between people and going?
Are
Ah, very good. So read please. What is the correction?
dozens of people are going
It's okay, it's okay. Are going?
to the fieldwork in London.
Okay, attention here. It's important to say thousands of people are going if you want to make in this case in present progressive. But if you want to say in present simple, what do you have to do? You eliminate, in this case, no, it's not eliminate. You transform into the present simple form in this. Thousands of people go to. Attention, if you want to say people are going, or you say people go to, okay? That's very good. Thank you, Miss. So attention, correct the errors quickly. Correct the errors, okay? Quickly, quickly, correct the errors. 1, 2, and 3. Let's do it quickly. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Quickly, quickly, let's do it. Correct the errors. Okay, correct your errors quickly. Very good. So we have to correct the errors. Okay. Let's do it. Correct your errors. Okay. Okay, now we go to the last part, that is to take dictation. Attention, everybody. Take dictation. Are you ready? Are you ready, people? Take dictation. Now we are going to listen. Remember, listen and copy. Listen. Number 2, listen and copy. That is to take dictation, okay? 1, are you ready for this, right? Yes. Ya sabe lo que tiene que hacer. Hay 2 o 3 que están acostados, sentados y no sé dónde están copiando. ¿Dónde está el libro? Vamos. Tienen de almohada el libro. Vamos. 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 Ok, ready.
¿Me puedo tomar agua?
Ya, pues, ¿qué más me queda? Pues? Toma, toma. Ok, ready? La Naily se muere de la risa. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Continue. Let's do it. Okay, so we start. Remember, listen and take notes. Listen and take notes, okay? 1, 2, 3.
It's midnight. And we're watching the New Year's celebrations. Fireworks are exploding in the sky. It's incredibly noisy. But it's a fantastic atmosphere.
Okay, now listen and correct the errors. Now listen, take notes or correct errors, okay? 1, 2, 3.
It's midnight. And we're watching the New Year's celebrations. It's midnight. And we're watching the New Year's celebrations. Fireworks are exploding in the sky. It's incredibly noisy. But it's a fantastic atmosphere.
Okay, ready? So we got, ready? Okay, I volunteer to read. I volunteer to read. Raise your hand. I volunteer to read. Nader. Okay, let's do it, Nader. We're
At
going to listen.
midnight, and
Sorry,
it's
Nader.
midnight,
Yeah. Okay.
and we are watching the New Year celebration.
Yeah.
Fireworks are exploding in the sky.
Yeah.
It's incredibly noisy, but it's a fantastic. Y ahí te quedé.
Okay. What is another person? Another person? That's good. Very good, Nader. Okay. Any other person? Samantha.
It's midnight, and we're watching the New Year's celebration. Fireworks are exploding in the sky. It's incredibly noisy, but it's a fantastic atmosphere.
Very good. Okay. Thank you, Nader, and thank you, Samantha. Everybody, please copy, correct, verify what you have. Copy and correct quickly.
It's midnight. And we're watching the New Year's celebrations. Fireworks are exploding in the sky. It's incredibly noisy. But it's a fantastic atmosphere.
Great. Okay. So here you have. Ready? Very good. The same words that you have into the vocabulary that you have in the unit that you will have working. Okay. Very good. So right now we got information about that. Okay. So we got information about that. Okay, so in this case, we say, we finished this part. What is the homework for the next class? For the next class, you are going to work unit number 4, page 107. That is for the next class. We are going to have a homework, they review unit number 4 for the next class, okay? Tomorrow, I mean, that is the class, and we're going to correct about this, okay? Pilas. Pilas, se cierra el deber el domingo. Yo ya necesito que todos estén en la plataforma. Miren que estoy solucionando problemas en clase, ayudando en clase a todo el mundo. Ya la próxima semana no me va a dar el tiempo porque ya me tengo que botar el libro. Así que, por favor, miren que hay tantas y tantas situaciones que se han suscitado con esto, ¿ok? Listo, bye, baby, see you. Qué bueno, Juan José, que ya te sirva. Ok, bye. 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 See ya.
Bye, miss.
Bye. See you. Solo me quedé, bye, sí, ya.
Chao, Miss, nos vemos.
Dices bye.
Bye, miss. Thank you.
Bye. Cuídense. Ya, listo. Solo me quedo con aquellos que tengan problemas en plataformas.